guys, welcome back to Chop Dog Fabrication. So today I'm doing something I've never done before. That's flying an RC airplane. So over the winter when it was super cold out and didn't feel like going in the shop and freezing my butt off, I found a website called Flight Test, and you can print off plans off your printer and build them out of foam core board from like the Dollar Tree. So I've got just a couple of dollars into the airplane itself, and the electronics and batteries, maybe another, I don't know, $100 or so. So this is something I've never done before. My goal, what I want to do is learn how to fly this one. This is called the Old Fogey, kind of matches me. And I built a Piper Cub type plane too, but I'm going to learn on this one. And then what I want to do is eventually learn how to do some of the warplanes out of the foam core board, which look pretty cool, and then paint them up. So it's a little windy out. Like I said, I've never flown before. I'm going to go with the wind when I throw this thing in the air, and we'll see if we can stay in the air for about 7 minutes, which is about how long the battery's supposed to last, and or 30 seconds, and you can see me fail miserably right off the bat, if even 30 seconds. So let me set the flaps, let me turn the power on and try to throw this sucker in the air. Oh. Just a little damage. Broken propeller, battery flew out. We'll remove the landing gear, and other than that, yeah, it looks like we can go again. So let's go put it back together and try again. The only damage this time was the battery kind of popped loose. So I think I can take that. So let me put the battery back in here, and then we will go back over there. Whoop. Yeah, gotta make sure next time I don't whack my hand. All right, lesson learned. You don't want this thing spinning when you're trying to do that, so you don't destroy your freaking hand. All right, let's go over there and we'll try one more time. Take two. Let's see if we can do a little better, keeping under control, a little less throttle this time, and just kind of take it easy and let it float around. All right, it's a learning curve. Wasn't too bad. I'll take that for probably my 5th try, I think. So I'm not sure how long we stayed in the air that time, but it had to have been at least 3 or 4 minutes if I had to guess. No, my cameraman is telling me maybe 2 minutes. So hey, I got a couple of 2-minute flights, and now what I'm going to do is since I've been kind of going up against the wind and trying it, I'm going to swap the battery out and we'll give it another whirl. All right guys, so hey, had a couple of good attempts, a couple of very bad attempts, but you know, first time flying, I actually had a good time. Broke another prop. You know, the plane hasn't sustained too bad a damage really, you know, from the additional flights that I did. It's getting really windy out. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear when we were videoing and stuff, but if it's too badly muffled, I'll just redo it, you know, inside the house and show you the damage that we did. But overall, this plane held up very well for just dollar core, you know, Dollar Tree foam board for $1, you know. Pretty happy with the way I flew for the first time. We'll try to find a better day where it's not so windy and, you know, you can control a little better, because there was a few times when I tried to turn back, you know, and the wind just took the plane and went zoom in, and I was trying to learn how to do the throttle and everything. So, but overall, I'm pretty happy with my first try. So anyway, stick around, you know, between cars and planes, we're gonna have some fun.